Welcome, this is MCB, this is switchboard. First we put down the MCB, then we gently open the switchboard where we have to install the Smart Switch Adapter 3.0. After opening, we will identify the individual connections. Here is a live in, here is a fan, here is a bulb 1 connection, bulb 2 connection, tube light, and lastly socket connection. So after that we make a tagging of all those wires and put on the wire so that we won't get confused. Here is a live input, neutral input, fan output connection, bulb 1 output connection, bulb 2 output connection, tube light output connection, and then finally socket output connection. After that we will disconnect the load connection from the socket so that we can free socket for further DC connections of our smart switch. So here all devices are taken out from the switches. After that we will remove the common live input to the switches. After freeing all 5 switches, we will make a common of one terminal of all switches for DC connection of our smart switch. So here you see there is one terminal common and other terminal are free from any connection. After that we will open our smart switch 3.0, which is having in 2 protecting covers. One is outer cover, one is internal protecting layer. And here you can identify the AC connections group and DC connections group of a smart switch 3.0. Here is a neutral, this is the live hot, this is the fan output connection, this is the bulb 1 output connection, this is bulb 2 output connection, this is tube light output connection, and finally this is socket output connections. This all are ACs. And now we go to the DC. So here is the DC ground. This is the DC ground, black one. This is the fan input connection, this is bulb input connection, this is bulb 2 input connection, this is tube light input connection, and this is the socket input connection. So all are DC. So after that we make connection one to the AC outputs. So here is a fan output of the switch connected to the fan load, and after connection we will put insulating sellotape so that there is no probability of short circuiting or flashovers. So here we put a insulating tape. So this is the bulb 1 connection connected to the bulb 1. This is bulb 2 connection. This is the tube light connection. And this is the socket connection. After that we will make a DC ground to the common of all switches that we have already made. So here you find the DC ground is connected to the common terminal of the all switches, and after that we will make a fan input DC. This is bulb 1 input DC from switches, this is bulb 2, this is the socket input to the smart switch. After that we make neutral to the neutral input of the board, which comes from the socket terminal. And finally the load, finally the red one is connected to the mains AC, which is connected after the fuse. So you find all those connection has been made, and after that we will fix the smart switch adapter from the board to any means. So here you find the all connection has been made, and after we put gently the smart board into its position, and after making all those